What a Sunday to start with! Fluffy pancake, a warm cup of coffee. But as a mom, we think it's made with all purpose flour. Is it really good for my family? Well, you do not need to worry about that anymore. Today we are making whole wheat pancakes. Sounds awesome, right? So fluffy, absolutely delicious, just like classic one. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. To start with, let's make a buttermilk, also called sour milk. For 1 glass of milk, I'm adding few drops of lime juice. Mix it and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This milk really helps us to get a nice fluffy pancakes. In a bowl, add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. You can see the texture here, it is slightly coarse. This is regular whole wheat flour, not the chapati flour. Chapati flour is too fine and smooth and it won't give us the best soft fluffy pancakes. So make sure you use regular whole wheat flour, just like this one. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda. If there are any lumps in baking soda, just use a strainer like this. This ensures there are no lumps and gives an evenly consistent batter so the pancakes rise evenly. Next add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well and keep it aside. Next in another bowl I am adding half a cup of melted butter. You can see the butter is completely melted. Looks like oil. Next I am adding 2 eggs. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's beat it nicely. See how nicely the egg and butter mixture has come together. It is looking perfect. Let's add the buttermilk. After sitting for 10 minutes, the buttermilk looks so nice and sour. For now, I am adding only half of it. Depending on the consistency of the batter, we can add more later. Give it another quick mix. Next, it is time to add dry mixture. Add little by little. Use a spatula and mix it gently. Adding rest of the mixture. Next, I am adding rest of the sour milk. I love cooking and baking using whole wheat flour. If you are also interested in cooking and baking using whole wheat flour, I have whole wheat muffin recipe on my channel. Please check that out. The batter itself looks so nice and fluffy. Let it sit for few minutes until the tawa gets hot. The tawa is nice and hot. You can brush some oil or butter. Take a scoop of batter and pour it on the hot tawa just like making dosas, but do not spread it thin. Keep it thick. Slowly you will start seeing air bubbles on the top side. Give it a flip and cook it on the other side. Wow, look at that beautiful golden color. That's what makes pancakes so special. Serve this with a piece of butter on top of it, or with a whipped cream, or with maple syrup. Choice is yours. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this fluffy pancake recipe. See you next time.